Hi everyone, if you're new here, I'm Aude, a writer and filmmaker. I've written novels, short films, and short stories over the years in French and English. And today, I'm gonna show you how to pack like Joan Didion because I'm going on a trip. So, Joan Didion was an American writer famously known for writing 5 novels, 12 books of nonfiction, a play, and a lot of screenplays. And she's also famously known for her packing list. And her packing list is as follows. You have to bring 2 skirts. You have to bring 2 jerseys or leotards. I only brought 1 skirt and a lot of pants. And in terms of the jerseys and leotards, I brought my merino wool tops. Both of them have long sleeves, one with a turtleneck, one with no turtleneck. In her list, she also says that you have to get a pullover sweater, which I did bring. And she also said that you have to bring 2 pair of shoes. Unfortunately, I do not have any heels anymore, which I think she would have approved. So I'm bringing my pair of running shoes and my wellies because I'm going somewhere very wet and cold. I could not afford any nice, shoes. She also said to bring stockings and a bra. I'm not gonna show you my underwear. She also says to bring a nightgown, a robe, and slippers. I usually don't wear nightgowns or pajamas. I just wear old sweaters and old dress sweaters. She also said to bring a pack of cigarettes. So mine are empty because I do not smoke. And to also bring some bourbon. I do not have bourbon, so I had my Absolute vodka. And also some champomy. Champomy, if you don't know, is non-alcoholic champagne that we used to drink a lot as children in France. She also said to bring a bag with shampoo, toothbrush and paste, some basic soap and razors. So that's my toothbrush, that's my toothpaste. It's a natural one. In terms of the soap, I'm bringing that soap as well for that trip, and that's my deodorant, my solid deodorant in a case with also my solid shampoo, but I'm not sure I'm gonna wash my hair. I also brought some aspirin and prescription in my very trusty medical pouch that has been all over the world with me. And also she said to bring some Tampax. I don't have any Tampax left, so that's what I got, and some face cream as well, and some powder and baby oil. So I've decided to bring my makeup to compensate for the fact that I do not have any heels. I really need to buy some heels, I guess. So I'm gonna do my best to pack everything in my very trusty Monos carry-on suitcase and my bag. I'm only going for a week where I'm going. So for a week, my rule is only a carry-on and a handbag. For more than 2 weeks, actually 10 days, I will still have my carry-on and a big backpack. For a month, I still have my carry-on and a big backpack and maybe one of these very trusty, kind of like luggage bags, the big one, the weekenders that you put on top of your carry-on. So that's what I would bring. So I'm going somewhere that is in relation with writing. So if you have any guess, let me know in the comments. The reason why I have decided to pack like Joan Didion is because, first of all, I really like her books. I've read Searching to Bethlehem. I've decided to bring that book on my trip. And A Year of Magical Thinking is probably my favorite books of hers. Joan Didion, she is an impactful American writer, and I can relate to her nonfiction books and struggles with mental health issues and just trying to make it in the industry as someone who might not have had an easy childhood. So I was happy when I saw that she had a packing list, because she did travel a lot in her life, and I'm also a writer that travels a lot in my life. So her packing list is perfect. One of the reasons why it is perfect is because, first of all, it's very minimalist. We have to understand that maximalism and bringing 1,000 suitcases for a 2-day trip is a very recent invention, literally because of capitalism forcing you to consume more. People used to be able to travel around for months with a suitcase or just a bag, like one bag. So I really appreciate it. Of course, her packing list is really a packing list of her time. For example, I'm bringing my laptop and my iPad, which she didn't have at the time. Well, she did have it, I'm sure, when she died. So I'm bringing that. I'm also bringing notebooks because I'm working on different projects. So as you can see, that's a lot of notebooks. 4 notebooks in total. Did I use all of them? Of course not. For that trip, I'll only use like 2 of them, but it was pretty helpful. I've also brought printouts of my story I'm gonna work on, and books to help me do research, and some snacks, because as you know, I'm a vegetarian and I'm a natural snacker with a sweet tooth anyway. So I always have snacks, because you never know what kind of food you might get, and you might not even get vegetarian options where you go. So I bought my snacks, and I shouldn't have, because these snacks were disgusting. But you know, I'm someone, I always will try something once. I don't understand people who like don't even try new foods. For me, unless there's a medical condition for that, and there are medical conditions that prevents you from trying new food, but unless there's a medical condition for that, I feel like you should always try new things. So that's Joan Didion's packing list. As you can see, I struggled a little, but eventually I was able to fill my suitcase, and it was worth it. I really like it. I think I'm gonna make it, maybe customize a packing list, but I think it's perfect for writers. It really is. Oh, that's a tip. If your monoscarrion is stuck like mine, you have to gently put your hand in the middle and then just press it, and it's gonna release the handle. It took me months to master it, but it's a really good one. So that's a suitcase being packed. I'm also bringing my clean air kind of like, you know, my clean air thing. I'm also bringing slippers. I always bring slippers no matter where I go. The book, obviously. My clean air filter is on top of my suitcase, and that's me all packed. If you've guessed where I'm going and why, let me know in the comments, but it's writing related. Thanks for today. Thanks for watching. Like the video and subscribe to my channel for more writing and filmmaking related videos. If you want to support my small business and my work, look at my website as well as my books available in most online stores. Thanks.